Hey, this is your girl T Low Key, and you know the key is in your hook. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell to be notified when I post again. Now this is going to be the first unboxing on my channel, and I'm so excited even though I bought this yarn myself. I want to see what the hype is about with this yarn. It's some summer yarn. Now let's get into the video. Here's some things about this yarn. I hope y'all can see. I'm so excited to see what I got. Oh, here you go. Here you go. So we got some Summer Kiss yarn here. Oh my gosh. So what? So what? I got a couple of these. I just got two colors. I got Summer Kiss and I think this is Mango. And this one. Got two colors and I'm gonna mix something with this yarn. I can't wait. That's what the excitement was about. We about to see read the label and see what's up. See if it's true to what the hype is about. I got this Summer Kiss yarn right here. It's called Summer Kiss. It's from Lion brand. It's a weight 3.5 ounces with 262 yards. Medium weight. It's polyester and cotton yarn. And the size hook you're supposed to use is 5.5 millimeter for crochet right here. And this is called Mango. The white one, all the same as the Mango, and this one is called Ice Glaze. Guys, so I want to let y'all know what I heard about this Lion brand yarn is that it has good stretch and it's good for garments. To it, we gotta test that out and see if it got stretch. It look like it got a little tiny stretch to it. Why I chose this yarn and why I like this yarn is pretty much the same thing. The color and the detail. I know you see it. The color and the detail. Yes, that's why I chose this yarn. I'm so excited. Can't wait to use it. And in detail, but I like that. Get close up to it. Like that detail. Question number 3. It's soft. I feel that it's soft. This is my review. It's soft. As first review is soft. Is this yarn true to color? Yes. It looks just like the picture. And it feels so soft. This yarn is so soft. I can't wait to see if the stretch is real. Can't wait to see. And what I will be making with this yarn. What will I make with this yarn? If you know what I'm gonna make with this yarn, comment down below. Comment down below. Stay tuned to know what I'm going to make with this yarn.
This is the girl T Low Key, and you know